offer wholesale tires. We sell to the public as well, retail. We offer all types of brands. Any brands that you want, we can get. We're direct with everybody. So such as from Pirelli tires, run flat tires, to all-terrain truck tires, mud terrain tires, everything. All brands. Main brands that we do have here would be Falcon, Sumitomo, Yokohama. We have economy brands, so very fairly priced tires. What we offer here as well for warranty on tires would be free tire repair with the purchase of 4. We can patch it for you for free, or we can also plug it for you. And then we do offer the regular manufacturer defect, anything wrong with the tire itself, we can go ahead and take care of that for you. You just got to bring them here. We'll have you in our system as well, so you don't have to hang on to the receipt. We could just look you up by your name and phone number. We're located over here in South El Monte, right off of Klingerman, in between the main cross streets of Garvey and Rush. Our phone number is 626-453-0491. You're more than welcome to give us a call at any time. We're open from 8 to 5, Monday through Saturday. Everyone's welcome. You guys are more than welcome to stop by. No appointments necessary. We love to see all customers here at Zoom Tires. We look forward to seeing you guys.